Hey there, welcome back to AI Pipeline. Today, I'm going to show you something most people have no clue is even possible. You're about to learn how to unlock $300 in completely free Google Cloud credits, and yes, it's legit. It's simple. And you can use it right now to access one of the most powerful creative tools in the world, the mighty VEO3. That's right, $300 in official credits from Google. No strings, no shady hacks, no almost working methods. This is real, and it works. But here's the wild part. This isn't just a one-time freebie. If you follow everything closely, I'll also show you how creators are using a more advanced system to get unlimited Google credits on repeat. It's a deeper, more technical process. But once you understand it, the doors it opens are game-changing. And that strategy deserves its own full breakdown. So if you want a dedicated tutorial just on unlimited Google Cloud credit generation, drop a comment below. If I see enough buzz, I'll film it next. Now, before we begin, can I ask you for a quick favor? Creating these kinds of step-by-step guides takes hours of testing, real experimentation, and lots of coffee. If you get value from this kind of content and want to support the channel, just hit that like button, subscribe to AI Pipeline, and ring that notification bell. It's free, and it helps keep this kind of no-fluff content coming your way. All right, let's lock in and get started. First things first, this is not a lazy shortcut. It's not just clicking buttons and hoping for the best. This is about building a digital identity that Google's system will recognize, verify, and trust. Every move you make here should be intentional. To begin, you'll need a Google account, preferably an aged account. You can use your current Google account or create a new one. But here's the trick. Older accounts with some activity tend to pass verification faster. If you've got a Gmail account that's been around a while, use it. If not, create a fresh one and give it a bit of natural behavior, logins, YouTube history, etc. before starting. You'll need a trusted digital bank account with virtual cards. This is critical. You'll need a virtual debit or credit card from a legit, reliable digital bank like Gray, Revolut, Payoneer, etc. Don't panic, you won't be charged a dime. I use Payoneer personally. It's fast. It's globally recognized. And their BINs, bank identification numbers, pass Google's risk checks almost every time. Avoid sketchy virtual cards or temporary services. Google's systems are smart, and if they detect a throwaway card, it's instant rejection. Do not use disposable or burner cards. Google flags them instantly. Imagine walking into a high-security office wearing a ski mask. That's basically what you're doing with a burner card. Instead, use a virtual card from a reputable provider like Revolut, N26, or Monzo. It needs to feel like a real person with a real bank is behind the application. This is the most overlooked but critical step. You need your Google account details to match your bank account info perfectly, not close enough. Not kind of similar. Exactly. Here's how. Log into your Google account. Click your profile picture. Manage your Google account. Go to Personal Info. Now, treat this page like your passport. Everything, from your name and address to middle initials and formatting, must match the details on your bank account. Even commas, capitalization, or missing spaces can mess you up. Google's system is automated, literal, and ruthless. It doesn't think, it matches. So, take your time here. Triple-check every field. Once your info is locked in and aligned perfectly, you're ready for the big step. Now, let's activate your free Google credits. Open a brand new incognito or private window. Go to cloud.google.com free. Click Start for free. Use the Google account you just cleaned up. When it asks, select your real country. This must also match your bank and Google profile. Proceed to set up your payment profile. Choose Individual. When entering your name, address, and payment info, copy it exactly like you just verified. Skip the tax information section. It's not needed for this method. Now carefully enter your card info. Check the card number, expiration date, and CVV. When ready, click Start My Free Trial. You'll get a $0 charge notification from your bank. This is just for verification. Approve it right away. It's totally safe. Within a few seconds, you'll land on your Google Cloud dashboard and boom, $300 in free credits officially activated. Let that moment sink in. If you appreciate what I am doing, why not pause this video and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel? Now, let's use those credits the right way. On your dashboard, click the Try Gemini button. You'll enter Google's Vertex AI Studio. Accept the terms. On the left-hand menu, click Media or Media Studio. You're now inside Google's pro-level AI video tool, and thanks to those free credits, you can start generating high-quality cinematic videos using VEO 3 with zero cost. These credits are enough to learn the system, build entire projects, test multiple styles, and even produce commercial-ready work. Here's the thing, $300 is incredible. But if you want to take things further, more video production, bigger creative builds, long-term scaling, then you'll want to explore the unlimited credits method I mentioned earlier. It's a deeper process that involves account rotation, card management, and identity syncing. But once you get the hang of it, you can run full creative pipelines using nothing but Google's free infrastructure. If you're serious about that, drop a comment. I'm watching the response closely, and if there's enough demand, I'll drop the full masterclass right here on AI Pipeline.
AI Pipeline brings you the future before it even uploads. Don't just sit there. Subscribe before your robot beats you to it.
Here are some of the videos I made with this VEO3 method.
Relax, everyone! I'm just here for snacks and zero attention, okay?
Totally worth the hike, except for the part where I almost died.
Nature is majestic until you almost fall off it.
Thanks for riding with me all the way through. I know this was a lot, but if you followed each step, you're now sitting on $300 in Google credits, ready to create something truly next level with VEO3. This isn't just a tutorial, it's an open door to serious creative potential. So don't waste it. Go build something wild. Try the impossible, and when you do, tag AI Pipeline in it. And hey, if you're not subscribed, just know this. While you're out there scrolling, the next wave of AI is already here. So subscribe, join the movement, and I'll see you in the next video.